Today, let's try a bitmap effect in Photoshop. Hope you don't mind that I always like to use my own photo instead of stock images to demonstrate a Photoshop effect. First, go to the top menu, find Mode, and click Grayscale. This will turn your image into black and white. Before taking the next step, it's better to use the levels or contrast adjustment to slightly adjust the image. My preference is to make the contrast more natural and avoid large areas of pure black or pure white. Then go to the top menu, find Mode, and click Bitmap. The settings here at Bitmap Resolution are a little bit tricky. The larger the output number, the finer the bitmap effect will be, but the retro grainy style will be lost. For example, let's try 50 here first. You can also try the halftone screen here. And then click OK. The output resolution of 50 is obviously too much. There are too many details that make the image more close to a realistic black and white photo. I will have to zoom in a lot to see the bitmap effect. Then let's try it again, and use a 10 output resolution. This time the bitmap effect is just right. I suggest you try some different settings at this output resolution. Next, try some color for the image. Because the image is now in bitmap, you cannot add any adjustment layer at this moment. So we need to adjust the image mode to grayscale first, and then adjust the image to RGB color again. Only in this way can you continue to use other adjustment layers. For example, I am using a gradient map for color grading here. One tip here. Since we set the output resolution to 10, when using the bitmap effect just now, the resolution of the overall image will become very low. Pay attention if you want to enlarge the image resolution again. When you go to resize the image, be sure to select the nearest neighbor, hard edges, in Resample. This setting can enlarge the image size while completely retaining the grainy effect of the bitmap. Of course, the effect of bitmap can also be used in text and layout design. You can use any font or layouts you like. It's a good idea to put some gradient layer effects to these designs first. In this way, it will look more retro when using the bitmap effect. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.